Civil engineering is an essential branch of engineering that deals with the planning, design, construction, and maintenance of structures such as buildings, roads, bridges, airports, and water supply systems. Civil engineers play a vital role in ensuring the safety, stability, and sustainability of our built environment. In this video, we will explore the benefits and drawbacks of civil engineering. Benefits of civil engineering. Job opportunities. Civil engineering is a highly in-demand profession, and there is a constant need for civil engineers. With the growing population, there is an increasing demand for infrastructure development, making civil engineering a lucrative career choice. Diversity of work. Civil engineering provides a diverse range of work opportunities. From designing and building structures to researching and developing new construction methods, civil engineering offers a wide range of job roles. Job satisfaction. Civil engineers have the satisfaction of seeing their designs come to life. They get to work on projects that have a significant impact on people's lives, such as constructing buildings and infrastructure that provide clean water, power, and transportation. Innovation. Civil engineering is constantly evolving, and there is always room for innovation. Civil engineers use new technologies and materials to make structures more sustainable, safer, and more efficient. Problem solving. Civil engineers are problem solvers. They use their knowledge and skills to solve complex engineering problems and find solutions to challenges such as managing natural disasters and addressing environmental concerns. Drawbacks of civil engineering. High responsibility. Civil engineers have a high level of responsibility, and any mistakes or oversights can have severe consequences. They must ensure that their designs are safe, stable, and sustainable, which can be stressful and challenging. Long working hours. Civil engineers often work long hours to meet deadlines and complete projects on time. This can result in a poor work-life balance, which can affect their health and well-being. Work conditions. Civil engineers often work outdoors in harsh weather conditions, which can be physically demanding and uncomfortable. They may also be required to work in dangerous environments, such as construction sites. Risk of burnout. Civil engineering is a high-pressure job, and the risk of burnout is significant. The constant pressure to deliver projects on time and within budget can take a toll on a civil engineer's mental and physical health. Limited creativity. Civil engineering is a highly regulated profession, and there is limited room for creativity. Civil engineers must follow strict regulations and codes, which can limit their ability to be innovative and creative. Conclusion. Civil engineering is a rewarding and challenging profession that offers many benefits and drawbacks. While civil engineers have the satisfaction of seeing their designs come to life and making a significant impact on people's lives, they also face high levels of responsibility, long working hours, and the risk of burnout. Civil engineering is a profession that requires dedication, hard work, and a passion for problem solving, but for those who are up to the challenge, it can be an incredibly rewarding career choice.